Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add vertical tabs in wpbakery WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo WordPress website. And after that, make sure that you have installed wpbakery plugin. Here you can go to your official website and you can get this plugin for $59 for a single website. Here you can check the pricing for different packages. And if you want to use for the multiple sites, you can get these packages. Then here you can simply upload the plugin file. As you can see, I already installed this plugin. Now let's go back to the pages and let's edit one of the page. Now here you can see it has backend editor as well as front-end editor. Now scroll down, let me add a new row. Then here you can see plus, this is for the element. Let me select, here you can see vertical tabbed content. So this is called tar or tour element, whatever you think. And after that, click here on the section settings as well as tour setting. So let's first add for the parent for the tour settings, and here you can add, for example, we can add title here, vertical tabs. Then here you can select heading tag H2, H3 and H4, and this is for the title tag. Let me select H3. Then for the style you can select classic, modern, whatever you want. Then for the shape you can select rounded, square, whatever you want. Then select color, let me select a different color, and after that scroll down, let's increase some spacing. And this is also for the gap. Then let me set position. Okay, let's keep it on the left side. Then alignment center. Then scroll down, here you can see navigation width. So auto, extra large, large, medium. So let me select medium. Autoplay. Okay, let's keep it none. Then active sections. Then you can enable or disable pagination style. After that, let's go for the section settings. So this is basically for the each tab content section 1. Let's change title, for example, web design. Then click here on the plus icon and let's add a text block. So you can remove this text and add your own text. Then for the section 2, click here, then add plus icon. Then let's add something different, for example, image, and let's select one image from the gallery. And after that, let's select image size full. Okay. And after that, for the section 2, let's add marketing. Then again you can easily create duplicate copies, whatever you want. And after that, let's preview. Scroll down and here you can see how it works. Simply you can select any of the tab and on the right side you will see that content. In this way, you can easily add vertical tabs in your wpbakery WordPress website. Simply update. So this is the final step. Don't forget to save anything.